Hi friends, welcome to Engage Tech. In the earlier video on accurate pronunciation, we discussed pronunciation of some important words in English language. Here in this video also, we shall discuss pronunciation of some important words used in day-to-day life. Okay then, let's start discussion. Knowledge. The spelling of this word is KNOWLEDGE, but it is wrongly pronounced as knowledge by most of the people. But its real pronunciation is knowledge, not knowledge, but knowledge. Knowledge. The next word is village. The spelling of this word is VILLAGE. It is wrongly pronounced as village by the speakers, but it should be pronounced as village, village, li and not lay. The next word is technology. Technology, not technology. It is technology, but its adjective is technological. Technological. Technology, technological, technology, technological. The next word is psychology. The spelling of the word psychology is PSYCHOLOGY. It is pronounced as psychology by the people, but it should be pronounced as psychology, psychology and not psychology. Its real pronunciation is psychology, lo and not law, logy and not logy. Its adjective is psychological. Psychological is wrong pronunciation, psychological is correct pronunciation. Psychological and not psychological. The next word is geology. It is not zoology, it is geology. The spelling is ZOOLOGY and its pronunciation is geology, not zoology. The next word is phonology. Phonology, not phonology. Phonology is a wrong pronunciation made by most of the speakers, and its correct pronunciation is phonology. Phonology, not phonology. Phonology is correct pronunciation. The next word is morphology. Morphology. The next word is Japan. Japan. Japan is a name of a country. Japan. The spelling is JAPAN. Japan, not Japan. Japan is wrong pronunciation made by most of the speakers. Its real pronunciation is Japan and not Japan. Japan is correct pronunciation. Its adjective is Japanese. Japanese, JAPANESE. Japanese is real pronunciation. It is correct pronunciation. Japanese is wrong pronunciation. Many speakers make this wrong pronunciation as Japanese. It is not Japanese, it is Japanese. Japan, Japanese. Japan, Japanese. The same is the case with the word America. It is not America, it is America. There is stress on the sound may. America. Its adjective is American. American is correct. America also is correct. America, noun, American, adjective. The next word is Czech. It is a name of a country and it is a short form of Czechoslovakia. Czech. Czech is the name of the country and it is wrongly pronounced as Czech by the people. Its real pronunciation is Czech, not Czech. Czech is correct, Czech is wrong. The next word is Hamlet. It is Hamlet. It is not Hamlet. It is Hamlet. The spelling is HAMLET. Even though there is E in the spelling, its pronunciation is just like O, and therefore making the pronunciation as Hamlet is wrong. Its real pronunciation is Hamlet. Hamlet is correct, Hamlet is wrong. The next word is quite simple word. It is quite often used by the speakers, but yet people make wrong pronunciation of that word, and that word is boy. B-O-Y. It is pronounced as boy. Most of the people make its wrong pronunciation as boy, but its correct pronunciation is boy. Its correct pronunciation is boy and not boy. Now let's consider the next word, that is romantic. Romantic. It is pronounced as romantic by most of the speakers, but it is not romantic, it is romantic. Romantic. The noun of this word romantic is romance. Romance. Most of the people make its wrong pronunciation as romance, but it is not romance, it is romance. Romance, romantic. Romance, romantic. The next word is fantasy. Fantasy. People make its pronunciation as fantasy, but it is not fantasy, it is a fantasy. It is fantasy. Its correct pronunciation is fantasy and not fantasy. Its adjective is fantastic. Its spelling is Fantastic. Its real pronunciation is fantastic and not fantastic. Fantastic. There are two A sounds in the word fantastic. Fantastic and not fantastic. The next word is stupid. It is a common word. It is used by the speakers quite often, but it is used as stupid. But it is not stupid, it is stupid. Stupid. Stew and not stew. Stew is correct, stew is wrong, and therefore stupid is correct, stupid is wrong. Stupid. Stupid. I hope that you might have understood this video. If you like the video, please click like icon and click bell icon also for getting more updates. If you haven't subscribed my channel English Decade, please subscribe it. Please share the video with your friends and relatives. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in comments box. Thank you.